welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I just want to show a small TEMU order that I received a couple days ago. They're larger paintings, but I really love them because they're really colorful and I can't wait to show them. And a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. And just to let you all know, I am a TEMU affiliate for TEMU. I've been fortunate enough to sign up with them a couple weeks ago, so I've actually have a code which will appear about here, that if the code is used for any new TEMU users, any returning or any current, you can use that code for any number of discounts. They do offer up to $300 coupon bundle, or 30% off your order. Different kind of discounts are available on the site. If the code actually allows me to get a small little commission and some seeding money, which leads to any campaigns that TEMU might have, that allows me to pick any items to be able to show you all, especially not just with diamond painting, but any other items that TEMU sells. Since TEMU itself has different kind of variety of items you can purchase, that code allows me to receive that kind of money to show the campaigns. And so, without further ado, let's get to the paintings. And so, right before I show that, my apologies if you hear a plane flying by. My apartment is actually around the flight path that the planes land. It usually doesn't get too loud, but if the microphone picks it up, I do apologize for that. So for the first painting, it's this one. So let me just unfurl it. And TEMU paintings do come wrapped up in kind of a little packaging, but I do remove it before I record just to not hear all the crinkly noise, just to take care of that. And so it comes with a standard kit and diamonds, and just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always a tray, a wax, and a pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds into the tray. As you can see the grooves, it helps separates the diamonds. You would get the pen, press into the wax, press it onto the diamond, press it onto the painting, and voila, you officially have started diamond painting. And just in case you lose it or if it breaks, don't worry, your next painting will have a kit, so it always has you backed up. And this is the diamonds. And first color I saw in a heartbeat were these two wonderful little teal colors. This is a really dark teal, this is more of a really light teal, and I love these colors. I love this coral. I love this other coral. Oh, and there's a different teal. That is so pretty. As you can see, there's a whole different kind of, I want to say, it's not earthy tones, they're just more pastel. There you go, pastel colors. I really love these colors, and they're in that style because of the painting. And oh my goodness, when I first saw this painting on TEMU, I knew in my heart of hearts I had to pick it up. It's a wonderful little river that's running down some hills, and they just have a whole bunch of pastel kind of rainbow colors throughout the water. And I just love the color of this painting, and I just love the whole design of it. So when I saw it, as I said, I knew I had to pick it up. So I'm just going to pick up the plastic covering that's on it. As you can see, oh, my apologies. Sorry about that. I really had to clear my throat, so I had to mute it real quick. I'm picking up the little plastic covering, and I'm just going to lay it back down. It really assists on helping straightening, not straining, helping kind of settle down the grooves in the painting itself. As you can see, the little creases in it. And as I said, the paintings themselves come in little plastic packaging, so that's why, as you saw before I opened it, it was kind of furled up a bit, and that's because of the way they're packed in the package. As you can see, the creases. Laying down the plastic again actually assists on kind of just settling it down. As you can see, it did that. Usually I roll it up, but it's not too bad, so I don't really need to do that. And you can actually see the painting a little bit more clearly. Let me see if I can get the glare off a bit. And there we go. Oh my goodness, I love this image. And when I finally received it, I was so excited because I fell in love with the image on the website, and seeing it in person, picture does not do it justice. And so some information about the painting. It is LQ 2005-1, and it's a 30 by 40, and it's 20 colors. Oh my goodness, I really do love it. As I said, I love the colors. I kind of love the little really light sepia tone on it, giving it a more antique vintage kind of effect. And I just really love this painting. And I really love that the legend is all in capital letters. There's no numbers in it. So the whole legend is, whoa, yes, the whole legend. Sorry, I thought that was 7 to Z. They're all in letters, and I love when the legends are in that style because it makes it so much easier once you're placing the diamonds on the painting. It makes it easier and not have to worry, ooh, is that a number, or in case they're different kind of symbols. And I really want to kit this up and start it, but I can't until I finish my other paintings. And for this, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. You have a wonderful little colorful stream. It's more your style. So let me put this aside real quick. And my apologies if you hear a fan. It's been really hot here lately. Well, it's been hot everywhere. And so I have a fan on today, so my apologies if the microphone's picking it up. And this is the next painting. And as some of y'all already know, especially a returning viewer, I love flowers. So a majority of my paintings are flowers or teacups or both. So this painting, when I saw the whole flower array of it, I knew I had to have it. So pretty. And again, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, that violet purple is so pretty. You can actually, I believe the camera might be catching it. It's a real nice dark purple. Oh my goodness, I love that color. There's a dark kind of coral color here with some gray, but that purple caught my attention really quickly. I really love that. And oh, this little nice peach color. I love this color too. I really like that. Oh my goodness, all the colors in this painting is going to be so pretty. Oh, I really like that. And this is the painting. As I said, I love flowers. And when I first saw it on TEMU, the picture was so pretty, and I saw that the colors are really vibrant. They pop out a lot, and it kind of has a whole bunch of different tones. It has orange and pinks and blue. This for some reason makes me think of blue bonnet, but I'm not sure that's what it is. Little orangey flowers here, some pink at the bottom, darker color green for the leaves, as you can see down here, little random yellows, and a really beautiful light sky on top. And as well, I'm going to pick up the plastic to kind of ease it a bit. This one's a little bit more curled up than the other one. Ooh. Sometimes the plastic is really stuck on the painting. So if you saw me kind of struggle a bit, yeah, it's a little tough. It's not all the times. It's just the paintings are random sometimes with that. So, but you can pick it up, and as you can see, it really does help with the creasing. And this one as well, I don't have to roll it up a bit. It eased off really well, and oh my goodness, I really like this painting. Let me see if I can keep the glare from hitting it. Oh, that is so pretty. I love all the flowers, and I love it has, again, slight sepia tone on it, so it kind of has a more antique-y look to it. I really love that. It's real subtle, and I'm a big fan of that. And some information about the painting. It is LQ 2016-1, and it is a 30 by 40, and it is 20 colors as well. Oh, I was not expecting that. I thought maybe it might have some more, but I can kind of see it. And I know a majority of the white is in the sky and all that. That orange is really pretty. In person, it really pops out, and I love the dark orange that's highlighting it. I'm a big fan of that. And as well, the table is all letters. Sorry, I forgot what the word was. And as I said before, I love when they're just in one kind of style. It's not a mix of numbers or symbols or anything like that. I love when it's just in that. It's either all numbers or all letters. So I'm a big fan that they did that. And it makes it so much easier when you're painting. You don't have to worry about any kind of random symbol. you know that's going to be a letter. And for this painting as well, I'm going to make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. With a nice little bushel of flowers. There's more your style. I know it's mine. So I'm going to put this aside real quick. And this is the last painting. Now this painting is interesting. I actually received this painting for free on TEMU. And every now and then TEMU has some promotions. If you've hit a certain number of orders, or a number of times you've ordered, or if there's kind of a coupon or discount, sometimes they'll offer a free item if you do an order. And this one, actually, I didn't have to do an order. It just offered me a free item, so I picked it. And usually they give you a list of items you can pick. And for me, I always pick diamond paintings because, well, I love diamond paintings. And I'll show you the painting in a moment. So, as well, standard kit, as I said, always has your back. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness, I see all the blues in this one, all the grays. You'll see it on the other side. Ooh, I really like this light blue. Random little purple you can see back here. I love when they're all sneaky like that. Oh my goodness, I love all the blues. So I've probably said a billion times, blue is my favorite color. And that's why I picked this painting, because I love the whole aspect of it. You'll see it in a moment. Oh, I really love these colors. And this is the painting. It's kind of like a winter kind of landscape, as you can see. And I fell in love when I saw this image, and when I saw that was one of the options I could select to receive for free, I picked it up in a heartbeat, because I love the whole snow, the moons, the sky, the trees. And I love it's more of a animation kind of style. As you can see, it kind of looks a little bit, I don't know, like a cartoon kind of thing. And let me just correct it a bit, because this one is a little bit more furled up. I'm sorry, a little bit more creases. So you pick up the plastic and fix that, because you can see the painting a little bit better. I think this one I might have to furl it up, because the creases are a little bit stronger on this one. Whoop. Sorry, I really love placing the plastic down. I have no idea why. And it makes me feel like when you're putting, you know, sheets or anything, and you're just putting it down to lay flat. I'm odd like that. Actually, this one I will furl it up. Give me a moment. Sorry if you hear all the scratching of the canvas there. And whoo, perfect. That did the trick. So as you can see the painting a little bit more clearly, there's snowbanks on a little river with some trees and with snow, and the sky with a couple of moons. And oh my goodness, I just really love this painting. And as I said, it made me think of winter, of the holidays. And I know around winter time I'll probably work on this one. I love anything with snow. Oh, my apologies. Goodness, my allergies are really kicking in. Sorry, I had to clear my throat again. As I said, I love snow. So I actually, as well as a lot of paintings with flowers, a lot of painting with teacups, I have a lot of paintings with snow. I love them. So, and I know majority of the time there's a lot of white, which means a lot of color blocking, which I don't have a problem with. I just love snow. So when I saw this painting, I knew I had to pick it up. And it's also available for purchase in case you're interested in it as well. But as I said, for myself, I was fortunate to have the opportunity to receive a free item. As I said, TEMU has them really often, or sometimes they're included with an order. Depends on what kind of sale they're having for the day. And so some information about the painting. This is QB060 and it's a 30 by 30. And it is 24 colors, and which is interesting because this is small, a little bit smaller than the other ones, but it has more colors. But I can see because there is more detail in the sky. There's a little house back here that's a different color, different kind of hues on the river. So I can see why it's 24 colors, especially with the trees as well. And the same thing, the table. Yay! Fortunately, they're all letters. Thank goodness. I have such a lucky day today. All the legends are all in letters, so I'm a big fan of that. So I don't have to worry about a random symbol or number, as I've said before. And I am so glad it's in that style. Makes it so much easier when I actually have a chance to kit this up and start this painting. I promise I am not going to do that after this video. I already have so many other paintings I have to finish before I even think of touching this. But I do plan to do this for the winter. Maybe there's a winter event. Maybe I'll use this painting for that. But I really, really do love this image. As you can see, I'm a big fan of it. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see more clearly. You have a nice little wintry landscape. Is your favorite as well. And yeah, that is all I have for today. I just really was excited about this order, and I really wanted to show it. And I really wanted to mention about the free gift options that sometimes Temu offers, especially with if you see just one painting you've had your eye on, and fortunately it's there, you'd have the opportunity, just as I did for this one. And again, for any returning viewers, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. For anyone new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. It really helps out the channel, really puts me out there for the algorithm, just so other people can have opportunities to see any other beautiful paintings they might be interested in. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.